"Well, Gruffalo," said the mouse, "you see, everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy's beginning to rumble, and my favorite food is Gruffalo Crumble." "Gruffalo Crumble," the Gruffalo said, and as quick as the wind he turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good. The end. So our vocabulary for the Gruffalo, first word is box. Claw. Prickle. Teeth. Owl. Jaw. Feast. So remember, a feast is just a lot of food. Knee. And wood. Creature. So a creature is any kind of weird animal. Tusk. So these long teeth are tusks. Wart. Tongue. Toe. One leaf or many leaves. Amazing. So something really good is amazing. And nut. Taste. So she is tasting this. Here. All right, our next book is The Way Back Home. This will be our last book that the activity is on. Once there was a boy. One day, as he was putting his things back in the closet, he found an airplane. He didn't remember leaving it there, but he thought he'd take it out for a go right away. The plane lifted off the ground and up into the sky. Higher and higher and higher. Suddenly, the plane shook. It had run out of gas. Now the boy was stuck on the moon. What was he to do? He was all alone and afraid, and soon his flashlight began to go out. Up in space, someone else was in trouble too. His engine had broken down. And driving the ship towards a flicker of light, he landed on the moon with a bump. Both the boy and the Martian could hear noises in the dark, and both feared the worst. But as their eyes got used to the dark, they both realized they had met someone else in trouble. They weren't alone anymore. The boy showed the Martian his empty gas tank. The Martian showed the boy his broken engine. Together, they thought of ways to fix their machines and how to get them both back home. The boy jumped down to Earth to get the things they would need, right down into the sea, and swam towards home. But by the time he got there, the boy was tired out, so he just sat in his favorite chair just to catch his breath. His favorite show was starting, and he sat down to watch. Suddenly, he remembered what he should be doing and rushed off to get to the closet to get what he needed. He ran outside and shouted, but there was no reply. He couldn't be heard. The boy climbed to higher ground, called again, and waited. This time a rope was lowered. The boy began to climb, and Martian began to pull, and soon the boy was back on the moon. The boy fixed up the Martian's engine with the right wrench, and the Martian filled the boy's gas tank. They said goodbye and thanked each other for their help. They wondered if they'd ever see each other again. After a long night, they were both finally off the moon. The boy went one way and the Martian went the other, both on their way back home. The end. So now it's time for our vocabulary for this book. So we have a closet, something that holds clothes and other things. We remember, so you remember to do something. So you can think about something that you did before, or think about something you need to do later. So, stuck. We have the dog stuck in the seat. We have a flashlight, an engine, the light bulb flickers, so flicker, it turns off and on fast. Realize, so you finally understand something. Trouble, the dog is in trouble because he is stuck in the bed. This is broken, so the car is broken. Machine, so this machine makes ice cream sandwiches, and this machine makes milk. Finally, so after something happens and it's been a long time, you can say finally. And wondered, so you can think about something. You'll maybe wonder about it. This is a gas tank. Both of these hold gas, so they're called tank. And here are some of my favorite ads that you guys made from our last book, Lion vs. Rabbit. They were all so good. I had a hard time picking just a few of them. You guys did such a good job. I like this one. It says, "You must be smart." That is true. I think the rabbit was smart. Also, the lion looks very scary. Lion bye-bye. Very good. Like the eye patch on this one. Very funny. And this one, the tree looks so good. What a good drawing. And this, I like the bison. I think a bison could defeat a lion. And this is a good ad as well. Wonder Woman. I think Wonder Woman could also defeat a lion. This one, I like the animals. They're very cute. This is a good drawing. And this one too. I like the lion drawing on this one too. Very good, guys. I was so impressed with all your ads. They made me laugh and smile. So that's all I have for today. You can go and do the activity now. So it's just questions on some of the books we've read this semester. You guys have been amazing students, and I loved teaching you. I had so much fun this semester reading stories with you guys, and sometimes eating lunch together and playing basketball. I wish we had more time to do those things, but I'm glad I met everyone. Good luck in 8th grade. I hope you continue to improve your English skills, and I hope you're nice to the English teacher next year too. It has been so fun this semester. Good luck next year. Bye everyone!